that. But the problem is, other drivers will start parking next to me and making it difficult to get out.
Oh, yeah.
Then they're going to say, well, if you tell me to move, well, I'm going to have to tell everybody to move. So I told her, what about where that bobtail is parked? They said, well, they've been parking there for a long time, but about last year they put signs, no parking. And hopefully this PTO is going to leave.
And then?
Said, you could park there, the trailer, but there's no guarantee they're going to come and say anything, because they've been parking in the street and nobody. That was last year when they put signs up, but she's never seen anybody get a ticket, and she doesn't want me to be the first one to say that.
Oh, okay.
So she said she don't mind for me to park here, but it's gonna start making everybody park.
Well, Fern, if we can't take a shower, then we can. You're gonna run out of time.
She said there's another truck stop right next the next exit, but it doesn't mean there's gonna be parking there.
Here comes another truck.
Oh, he's gonna probably fuel up or something.
No, where's he going?
I don't know.
God, all these fucking drivers, they want to park me. Is he gonna take that?
I don't know. I don't know where he's. I don't know. See if he's gonna park parallel in front, blocking the other truck. That's what I'm thinking he's gonna do. Let me see if there's a Walmart here.
Damn, look, he's gonna take the pole out. Look!
Oh, fuck.
You think he fucked up his truck?
What?
I don't even think he knows what he's doing.